MOBX stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is MOBIX Labs stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Just genuinely looking at MOBIX Labs. It's pumping. Yeah, sure thing. 37% up yesterday. It was a good performance. Just mainly like I'm the only person in this space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years like this and documented everything. And my genuine 2 cents on MOBX is that how can I double down and squeeze the most juice that I can out of this bullish movement here? First and foremost, it's not going to be randomly buying. So if it comes down like on the 15-minute chart, whatever, and there's 5-minute chart and there's a confirmation, like a double break shift, then and only then I'm looking to take it further higher, right? Randomly buying will just not be happening. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So let me know what is your opinion. I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. Free sauce. And there's really nothing else that I would add. Just stay tuned because I'll keep you updated.